What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Derica. For anyone who is new here, welcome back, sis. Welcome back, bro. Today we're making the Savage boxes. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the basics that you'll need. I'm using 70% alcohol to spray all of the cups, making sure there's no fingerprints or dirt. Take some painter's tape and section off the bottom of the shot glass and the wine glass. Make sure it is as straight as possible. Take your Mod Podge, your paintbrush, and your glitter. We're going to add the glitter to the cup using the Mod Podge as a sealant. Make sure you use thin, even strokes with the Mod Podge. Repeat the same process with the shot glass. Okay, fam, we outside and we are now about to hydro dip our coffee mug. Okay, I'm excited. This is my first time ever hydro dipping, so let's go. So we're gonna start off with our base coat, which is the white primer, gold, which is our main color, and black just for an accent. Here is the cup after it has dried. Y'all, I love this. This is so gorgeous. It's giving real Pier 1 West Elm type vibes. We're going to seal the cup with Mod Podge. I use about 3 layers, letting each layer dry in between. So back to our wine glass, you want to go ahead and take the painter's tape off. You want to do this very slow so you do not mess with the glitter. I have all the decals already cut out. If you need a separate video on how to make the decals and how to cut them, please let me know in the comments. We're going to take some transfer paper and go ahead and transfer the decals onto our cups. I just want to take this time to say thank you so much for tuning into this video and all of the other videos that you have seen of mine. I do not take y'all for granted. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much. This journey has been awesome. If you would do me a big solid, go ahead and check out my Instagram at Purposeful Printing. Also, my personal Instagram at Derica.w. I would really appreciate it. By the way, I will leave everything that I've used in the description below, where I got it from and the prices. These boxes come from Michael's. You guys rack up on them. I use these boxes for so many different items and they are so inexpensive. So don't forget to check the description bar for all of the information on where you can buy and how much it costs. These are such a great gift for anybody who like to have a good time. I don't use mine. Mine is actually sitting out on my display in my bar area. They are just so cute, you guys. I just don't want to use it. But if you would like one of your own, you can get them custom made, any color, any way that you like. Visit www.purposefulprinting.com. Well, we are reaching the end of this video. I thank you so much for tuning in. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also leave a comment down below. I love you guys. Bye.